So here's number 31 from section 15.1. They've given us a graph. It's one that we've worked with on a couple of the other problems. But what they're asking us here is to explain why edge CD, this edge here, is a bridge. And to be able to make that explanation, what we need to do is go back to the definition of a bridge. And what is a bridge? A bridge is an edge in a connected graph whose removal, so if we took it out, it would leave a disconnected graph. Okay? So let's see if CD fits that definition. If I take out edge CD, if I get rid of that edge altogether, what I'm left with is A, B, and C. Those are still connected. And I'm left with D, E, and F. That was E, D, and F. The graph's not connected anymore. When I took out edge CD, my graph broke up into two pieces. A graph in two separate pieces is not a connected graph. So the reason that C is a bridge, the answer that they're looking for is if we remove edge CD, the graph isn't connected anymore. So that's what they're asking there. To explain why edge CD is a bridge, we have to basically use the definition of a bridge. The definition of a bridge says if you take it away, the graph isn't connected. And so here we see that if we take away that edge CD, our graph breaks into two pieces. So if we remove edge CD, the graph isn't connected anymore.